Now that the hood's up, you're just going to grab this right here, lift it straight up, take it off of there, grab this right here, should come right off. Same thing for this side. Grab this, pull this hose off of here, lift this up, lift this up and out of here. Next, what you're going to do, you're going to remove this locking clip right here. Just use a pocket screwdriver. Once you have that removed, you can come under here, remove that. Next, you're going to use a T30 Torx bit. You're going to remove this bolt right here and this one right here. Grab your coil, give it a little twist as you lift, comes right up out of the engine. There we go. Just going to use a little bit of dielectric grease. Put your new coil down into the engine. Take your bolts. Make sure those are snug. Take your wire, slide it on there, make sure you lock it in. Do the same for all the rest of your coils. Take your cover, slide it down on there. Make sure that's over. Take your hose, make sure this is on. Put these back on.